And today I have for you a new video. Now please excuse the fact that I'm wearing the same shirt as my last video. Or the next video. I don't know. I'm recording all of these videos in the same day. But yeah, so today I'm going to be doing a food haul. So this video is probably not going to be very long. I did get some pretty good stuff for around 50 bucks. I did have it delivered, so there was like the delivery fee and the tip added on to it. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because, you know, I am kind of funny. I make decent videos, I think. If you are returning, thank you so much. There's a dog in the background. If you are returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you very much. But without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this haul. So here is everything that I got, and a cat. I did shop from Aldi's, which is why this was so cheap for 50 bucks. Normally I shop where I work and it's a lot more expensive, so I decided to go with Aldi's and it was a better choice. Yeah. But anyways, so what we have some bell peppers. I got some tomatoes, some spinach, some shredded cheese. We got frozen strawberries, mangoes, and pineapples. We got some mushrooms, some almond milk, some roasted garlic hummus, some cream cheese. Up there is corn and peas. And then we got some bananas, and we got some celery, some yogurt, some salmon, and some chicken. So what I plan on doing is a lot of these, like the bell peppers and the celery, is mainly for snacks to have with the cream cheese. And then I got chicken and the shredded cheese for tortilla wraps, like chicken tortilla wraps. I wasn't able to get the wraps that I wanted from Aldi, but I am going to go and get some here soon, probably tomorrow. I got some almond milk and the frozen fruit and the yogurt, mainly for smoothies. And then I got some mushrooms for some rice bowls and burrito bowls that I want to make. The corn and peas are basically just like extra like side vegetables for like pasta and stuff. I got bananas, and then I got salmon because I really wanted to incorporate a lot more fish into my diet, and I actually really like salmon. So I got a bag of that to have, and I'm actually going to have that tonight, so you might see that in this video. But yes, this is all of what I got from Aldi's, and the total was, I believe, $51.64 or something along those lines. They didn't give me my receipt with it, but I do have the receipt online. So there is that, and I am going to show you what I'm having for dinner tonight, so stay tuned for that. So welcome to my kitchen. So pretty much today for dinner I'm going to be having some salmon and some potatoes, and I'm going to be showing you how I do it. So what I've done is I basically cut up 2 of the potatoes. I oiled the pan, covered it with the potatoes, with the salmon in the middle, and put cilantro on top of it. I'm waiting for the oven to heat up. It's got to be at 375. I'm going to bake it for about 10-ish minutes. Yeah, so I'll show you what it looks like when it's done. So here it is, all done. We got the salmon and we got the potatoes. I'm so excited to eat this. But yes, so hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like, comment, all that fun stuff. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.